Hey traders, welcome back. This is Jonathan. I'm here to give you another installment of my 100-day challenge trading videos. And what I got going on here, I really like this setup, and I wanted to revisit it. I put this up here. This was an election day market freak out. It went way down, came way back up, and usually when those kinds of up and down simultaneously market freakouts, they're not a strategic institutional market move. They're not the direction that they take is often sporadic, goes up and goes back down just because people are taking their money out of the market. Maybe some people are putting their money in the market, but it's not a dedicated push in a certain direction. So what I'm looking at now, this is the USD yen, and I have a little bit of a price rejection coming up here. Stochastics are getting overbought on the daily chart, so I dial it down a little bit, and I just really kind of like what I see here on the 4-hour chart. Price came back up through this railroad track formation, followed by a spinning top. We have stochastics crossing right here, way over the 80 line. That's just going to be a good indicator that something's going to move. The hourly chart is still coming down. These haven't crossed yet. A lot of times stochastics can actually put in a majority of their run when they are in the high range of the stochastic indicator. So like, see how far above 80 this is. Price came up here, and then from here, just look at how much more price action it put in as these bands were consolidating. So I guess what I'm trying to say is this isn't disqualifying the trade. It can braid up a little bit and then put in a lot more direction down. So just tuning into the excuse me, tuning into the 15-minute chart. We have this down push right here. That's what I decided to get in on. Just kind of get in as a scalp in the market and see how far it goes. This is where we're at down here. I also took a trade on the pound yen, which I took it up here, and it had a similar look. It looks like it's looking to a little bit of a price reversal at the very least, correction. So all right, back over here to the dollar yen. I just liked how it looked, and it looks very good on the higher time frames, and that's always where we start. We're going to start with the higher time frames and then move down and see if there's room to get into a trade. So that's the trade for this evening, and I'll let you guys know how it went.